Sustainable nutrition by Health is for Life. 4. Body positive weight management. Welcome to Health is for Life, where we believe in embracing a healthy lifestyle, not a number on the scale. Today, we're discussing a revolutionary approach to weight loss, a body positive one. Say goodbye to diets and hello to self-love, as we explore a holistic approach to wellness that focuses on nourishing both the body and the mind. Get ready to embrace a healthier, happier you with a body-positive approach to weight loss. A positive approach to weight management. In recent years, there has been a growing shift in the approach to weight management from one of restriction and deprivation to a more positive, body-focused perspective. Rather than focusing solely on the number on a scale, this approach takes into account what the body is capable of doing, and seeks to support and improve that ability. At its core, a positive approach to weight management is about empowering individuals to make healthier choices and achieve their goals in a way that is sustainable, enjoyable, and non-restrictive. This means that instead of using diets that limit certain foods or require counting calories, the focus is on nourishing the body with healthy, whole foods and engaging in regular physical activity that is enjoyable. One of the key components of this approach is recognizing the importance of taste and indulgent experiences in eating. While it is important to make healthier choices, it is also important to enjoy food and not feel restricted or deprived. A positive approach to weight management seeks to balance taste and nutrition by offering foods and beverages that are both healthy and delicious. This is where companies can play an important role in promoting a positive approach to weight management. Rather than simply offering low-calorie options, they can develop products that offer other benefits such as improved mood or energy, added protein or fiber for satiety, or benefits like improved immunity or digestive health. By doing so, they can help consumers make healthier choices without sacrificing taste or feeling deprived. Additionally, this approach to weight management also recognizes the importance of mental health and seeks to promote a positive body image. Rather than focusing solely on physical appearance, a positive approach to weight management prioritizes overall health and well-being, including physical, mental, and emotional health. This can help individuals achieve their goals in a more sustainable and fulfilling way. In conclusion, a positive approach to weight management is about empowering individuals to make healthy choices and achieve their goals in a way that is sustainable, enjoyable, and non-restrictive. By focusing on nourishing the body, promoting healthy habits, and balancing taste and nutrition, this approach can help individuals achieve their goals and lead a happier, healthier life. Companies can also play a role in promoting this approach by developing products that offer additional health benefits and a positive taste experience. Thank you for joining us on Health is for Life. We hope you found today's episode informative and inspiring, and that you'll come back soon to continue your journey towards a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a chance to improve your health and well-being. Take care of yourself and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.